I was shocked, literally shocked, at how good this is. And it's only £7 just over in the TikTok shop. Have a look. Here we have a portable Bluetooth speaker. It comes in 5 colours. It's a Bluetooth range of about 10 metres. Oh, I like that. Look at that. It's got this handy. Oh, the controls are on the top.
Bluetooth mode.
There's an SD card slot in there, as well as USB-C and standard USB. That's a nice little speaker. Summer's coming, these are going to sell out fast, so if you're wanting one, I would click the link below to get yours quickly. And thanks for watching. See you soon.